Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and beautiful as well. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and to semi-organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in these type of videos, just keep on watching, and if you like it, just click the like button, subscribe, and let's talk about today's video. I received this package. I participated in a Halloween swap hosted by Sandy. I will leave her link in the description box below. And this is what I am going to be unboxing. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I got. So look at this gorgeous shredded paper that I am going to definitely save. And let's go ahead. Oh my goodness, look at this kitty cat, and it's a baggie. Whoa, look at this pretty, oh, it's a huge shaker. I love it. I love it. Let's go ahead and see who this belongs to. Oh, and look at this pumpkin. And I'm definitely going to cut these off because I'm definitely gonna reuse that. And this, oh, how nice. And I love this baggie with the kitty shaker. And there is a card. Look at that. Oh, these are the cut aparts. Oh, thank you. I don't have these words. Wow, thank you very much. Oh my goodness, I love it because I don't have these dies, so this is just perfect. Perfect for my October album, for the junk journals. Thank you very much. And it came in this cute little baggie. We'll put this aside. It's a pen. Oh, nice. Look at that. I don't know why I keep thinking about Poke Tools. It's a pen, and I think we put the pen over here. Oh. Okay, so this is an extra one that she gave me. Thank you very much. That is so thoughtful. Let's see. It's a ghosty pen with, you know, the replacement, or, you know, the extra. That, and dun, dun. Let's see what's in this baggie. Oh, there we go. So I got nice packaging for the shakers. Sequin mix. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. Have to leave this here for my Instagram posts and pictures. And this is first shaker. I'm going to open the shaker. Oh, how pretty. Oh, I love it. I just love it. Oh, and this, the booty, and the ghosties. Thank you. Then here are, oh, how pretty. I think these are Scrap Diva design dies. I haven't purchased this year any of her dies. But boy, this is pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at these pennants. And then on the back, the butterflies. How cute. Cute. And these are the cutter parts, or die cuts. Not cutter parts, but die cuts. Perfect. Let me see, because I don't have these. This is new to me. Oh, the houses. Nice. Trick or treat. Spider web. Oh, I don't have this die either. Hey Boo. Oh, how cute. Different papers, trick or treat. And this one, oh, this is like a skelly too. And then here's the skelly man. And then this one, oh, so cute. Thank you. I don't have these die cuts, which is perfect for my stash and to use them. And then let's take a look at this other one. Let's see. This is the other shakers. Oh, look at these. This is the, I have seen these die too, and I'm being like tempting to buy it or not, but you know, I have like so many dies, but not shaker dies because I'm kind of hard to do shakers. I'm not easy shaker person. It's not my specialty, but this is just beautiful. Thank you very much. And then these kitties. Oh, look at this. Oh, and the back toppers, love it, love it, love it. And the kitties, oh, thank you, you made my day. And then what do we have here? Oh, there's more. Ooh. So this is an envelope, loaded envelope with, oh, here we go. So this is the swapper, my swapping partner, Ann Locantro, and Loca71. That's her Instagram. And thank you, Ann. And she got me, oh, this is pretty, more die cuts. Oh, look at these. I was going to order these potion shaker dies, but now I know the size, so okay, I think I'm not gonna order it since I have already one done for me. Thank you, Anne. Oh, look at that little thing here. And then happy hauntings. And then this other one. Oh, this is cute. Oh my goodness, more bite me. Oh my goodness. This is pretty. Oh, and the stickers. Oh, this is lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you very much, Anne. And I'm going to definitely leave her information right in the description box below. Her Instagram handle. And this is the goodie. Oh, Sour Patch Kids. Ooh, zombie. Thank you. Oh my goodness. This is just so gorgeous. Thank you, Anne, for all the goodies. And I'm trying not to show glare, so probably I should open this one. And now I am loaded with all these die cuts and shakers that I can use in pages and scrapbook layouts and junk journals, and these are so cute. And let's open this up. So for pictures, the potion bottles, my goodness, I love it, love it, love it, love it. Well, thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.